Hello everyone, my name is Prakhar Kumar and welcome to codetechgyan. Today I'm going to make an exciting project on animation. Okay, so animation we can create animation using Python language, and how to create animation. Before going forward, we have to just install the SketchPy package using pip install SketchPy, and using that you can use this SketchPy package. Okay, so what I will do, I will importing the SketchPy. From SketchPy, import the library. I'm importing the library that we use to create the animation images, and I'm giving the alias name as library only. Okay, and I'm creating an object create equal to library dot. Here all the options are coming. If I want to create the image of APJ Abdul Kalam sir, so APJ you have to use. For BTS, the famous BTS band, it will create the BTS band person image. And if you want to create the flag, it will create the flag using flag function. And suppose if you want to create the ASCII image of Iron Man, so it will create the ASCII image of Iron Man. RTJ will create the the image of Robert Downey Jr. Okay, and what you have to do, create dot draw. Okay, so if you do this and run this, it will create the image of Robert Downey Jr. in the animation way. Okay, yeah, you can see that it's creating the image. Yeah, so we can see that it's created the image of Robert Downey Jr. And if I have to create the image of Tom Holland, see if I write H, yeah, so Tom Holland, it's coming, so it will create the image of Tom Holland. Yeah, it's colorful image of Tom Holland will be created. Okay, you can see that. Yeah, see, it has created the image of Tom Holland. And suppose you have to create the image of BTS, the famous band, so you have to just change the name of the function to that BTS, and for APJ Abdul Kalam sir you have to change. Suppose you have to change this to APJ Abdul Kalam, so it will what it will do, it will create the map, and in which it will show the image of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. See if I do this, see it will create the Indian map, in which it will create the image of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Okay, so yeah, we can see that it's creating the image of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So okay, so it has created. Suppose if I have to create the image of the famous band BTS, so if I do this, so it's creating the imaginary image of the famous BTS band person. So yeah, so we can see this created the image. So this is a very cool and exciting project in Python that beginners can learn, and can also enhance their skills in Python. How can they make cool projects? And also, please like and subscribe my channel, and please share with all your friends so that they can also watch the channel, and they can learn coding. Coding is fun, it's very exciting, and please subscribe my channel, and please share with all of your friends. Thank you. Bye.